Hi, I am Dr. Shubhiaggarwal and today I am going to tell you a story. Recently, a woman visited our OPD. She had taken an MTP pill, the medical termination of pregnancy or the abortion pill by herself. Maybe a month ago, and she was bleeding continuously since 20 to 25 days. She was looking very pale. Now, on taking proper history, I found out that she has done this 2 times more in the past. And since she didn't face any kind of problems after taking those pills, she thought that it is very safe. But when she came, we did a proper workup, and after all the tests, we found out that she was Rh negative. That is, her blood group was negative. So, what happens in such pregnancies wherein the mother is Rh negative and the baby is Rh positive? That is, the baby's blood group is in the positive. When these two blood mixes at the time of delivery, mother cells become monster for the second baby, and it can create life-threatening conditions for the baby. Now, even if you continue the pregnancy or even if you abort the pregnancy, you have to take an injection anti-D. The dose of this injection depends upon the gestational age or how far along are you in the pregnancy. If your pregnancy is going all right, we give this injection at 28 weeks. And after the baby is born, we check the blood group of the baby, and if it is in the positive, then we give an injection once again. And if it is negative, we do not give any kind of injection. But now she had previous 2 abortions, and this was the 3rd abortion, and she hadn't taken this injection. And in the near future, if her baby blood group is positive, it is going to create life-threatening conditions for the baby. This is just one reason why you should not take these MTP pills by yourself. It is very safe and it is very discreet nowadays in India to get abortions done. So why not visit a healthcare provider, rather becoming a Google doctor yourself? Ignoring your health and taking these things lightly can lead to problems in the future which you might regret. So visit a healthcare provider when you have any problem with your health. Thank you.